starting our descent in the next 5 minutes or so for Edmonton. Showing a touchdown time of approximately 20 minutes past 10 p.m. Latest weather in Edmonton is showing minus 25 degrees Celsius with some light winds out in the south. On behalf of the entire crew, it's been our pleasure having you on board. We hope you enjoyed your flight back to Edmonton and hope you had a great vacation in Varadero. Thanks again for joining us and safe travels home tonight.
Sunwing welcomes you to Edmonton. The local time is 10:21.